a year and a half or so when she was about 16. But beyond that, she was in my uh custody. I paid for braces. I paid for, took her to all her doctor visits and everything over that time, and all this counseling appointments to deal with, obviously mother abandonment issues that she was going through as a, teenager. But yeah, I know I should have probably filed paperwork years ago and took care of this. And they did tell me at the front desk that if I would have filed paperwork that, every month that I had her, they were just gonna, maybe minus off whatever it was. My last payments were 175 or whatever, until it was at zero, whatever. And I never did go about that. I was kind of hoping that family would come back, in all honesty, the first few years. Obviously dealing with a teenage girl and her mom disappearing was a very tragic situation on top of me trying to maintain a household. So as a man, I honestly didn't, I learned a lot from that, but in hindsight, but during that moment, I definitely was struggling for those first few years in
See,
that
I
situation.
my I have a dilemma here, and that's that I'm looking at the statute, and that's what I'm required to enforce, and it doesn't give me the leeway, really, to just kind of wave away this arrearage, even though it sounds like you should have definitely filed for custody many years ago, when this was charging. So, and this is an arrears only case, and this court requires you to pay that arrearage, not all at once, but eventually. This is child support under Michigan law. It's non-dischargeable in bankruptcy. It's never going to go away, ever.
Oh, I
And
understand that. I'm not
okay.
expecting that. And I'm only stating the fact that, uh, and hoping that there's some sort of balance in there, that I wasn't just like running from those payments. I just was in full custody and
So
wasn't.
here's the thing. There's balance, but you've got to show some kind of effort to be paying this. You have to,
Is there any way
else I
that
have
I
to find you
can,
an attempt.
is there any way that I can file some paperwork to um do what was said that I could have did, like say 5 or 7 years ago,
No,
where
Michigan does not
I can.
will not the Michigan law will not allow this to be retroactively modified. Will not.
That's only if, say, Phelan got on here
Correct.
and said that she agrees that that money should